Hey guys, Ryan here from COROLLA CUSTOMZ, and let me show you what we got. So we bought this permatex windshield repair kit. It is fairly cheap. I will leave the link in the description below, so you can definitely click it there and check that out. So let's get started in the video, and you're gonna see what I'm talking about. Let's jump in. First, we identify the chip on our windshield. Next, we lay out all our products from our permatex windshield repair kit. We have a razor, alcohol wipe, thumbtack, plunger, our base, resin, clear UV curing strip, and our base adhesion. In order to prep our windshield, we need to use our pin to remove any loose debris in the windshield. Careful, do not press hard before you turn the chip into a crack. Now we use an alcohol wipe which comes in the kit to clean and remove any dirt. This will allow our base to stick on our windshield. Next, we grab our base adhesive pad. You want to line up the hole dead center of the chip, as well as have the tab facing straight up on the windshield. As you can see, the tab is pointed up and the hole is centered to the crack. Now we remove the top adhesion. Then we grab our base and stick it on. Make sure it is lined up to the hole. Do not press hard on the windshield because the chip can turn into a crack. Just a side note, the windshield is a structural part of the vehicle. If you have a crack along the corners or a massive crack in the center, just replace it. Now we grab our glass resin. This resin will harden to repair the chip and stop any further damage. Drip the resin into the base until it is completely filled to the top. Now insert your plunger. Then hold one hand on the base and use the other hand to pull a vacuum. Hey guys, quick tip. I didn't get to show you this on the video in great detail, but when you are pulling the vacuum, you gotta push this into the base and basically pull up as slow as you can and get it to click in this second hole right here. You see this notch? There's a notch here, there's a notch here. So you basically pull up till it clicks in the second notch. Then when you're done with it, you basically push the clip out and push down into the first notch, which is pushing all the resin into the container, into the chip, if you will. So again, you just when you put this into the base, you'll plug it in, hold a hand, and then basically pull all the way till you get to the second notch, and it'll click in place, and then you just leave it alone. That means it's pulling a vacuum and it's gonna work its magic, and you'll see it in this clip. Take a look inside and you will see all the air bubbles being sucked out. This means a vacuum is formed. A really quick tip on how to speed up the process of the bubbles releasing is to tap on the windshield around the base. This will vibrate out all our bubbles. As you can see, we barely have any bubbles left. The tapping really helped speed up this process. Now we go to our plunger and remove it. This will allow air into the plunger. Place the plunger back into the base and press down. Then lock the top notch and let this sit for 20 minutes. "20 minutes later, and oh man, this looks amazing already." Remove your plunger from the base. Then, using the supplied razor blade, we can carefully remove the adhesion. If any remaining resin drips, do not use a rag or paper towel. We will get to that later. Finally, we use a drop of resin and then place our strip over it for the final curing process. Use the razor to remove any bubbles and then let it sit. In direct sunlight, this will cure in 15 minutes. And in shade, this will cure in 1 hour. See you then. After 15 minutes, we carefully remove the strip with the razor. Then we use the razor to scrape off any excess on the windshield. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching that episode. I know it was short, but it really took a while to film. It took me a little while to edit. I actually just finished editing this, so I'm gonna upload it for you right now. You'll see it at 2:15 on Tuesday. Let me know what you think. Definitely leave a comment in the comment section down below. Also, hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed to my channel. Make sure you get your fresh, newly updated content every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Make sure you show up to Corolla Customs. Give your boy some love. Hit the like. You know, do it for the algorithm. Let me go up in this world. And I will see you guys again coming up Thursday. See you then. Peace.